वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमका येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुम्ही सगळी बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकीन. So today I am here to show you all our Goan tradition authentic, which we learned from our Portuguese. Our ancestors learned actually. That is prawns rissois or prawns rissoles or prawns rissóis. So different way of pronunciation is there. So for that we need prawns, and this is half kg of prawns, and we have to chop this very finely, very finely. Okay, so it's like how you make mince, that way you have to finely chop that all like this for our prawns rissois. So this we need. Then we need few garlic finely chopped garlic also. Then we need 1 tablespoon of butter for our white sauce, and 1 tablespoon of maida. Then a pinch of black pepper. Then we need 1 cup of milk. So this is for our white sauce. And then in prawns sauteing, I'm adding onion greens, that is from our home garden. So onion greens, few curry leaves, few to give tanginess, I'm adding some bean leaves, Goan bean leaves, again from our plant, and our home green chilies finely chopped. So this all we need. So like this I have taken 4 and finely chopped. Okay, so let's chop and get ready to do our next process. Everything is ready. So add some 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we will add our garlic, chili, curry leaves, our prawns. So prawns, I have not added any butter, or salt or pepper. Now I will add it. So now we'll add this bean leaves, salt to taste, and pepper powder. And pepper powder. And once the color is changed, we will take it out. Okay, so fry this nicely. So now it's done, and we will now take it out and keep aside. And we will prepare our white sauce. Now in the same pan on low flame, we will add our butter. And our flour. So 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of flour. Tablespoon size is easily available on Amazon. Once this is nicely done, they are melted nicely. we will add little bit of pepper powder to this for flavor. Now we will add our milk to this. So fry this for 2 minutes, then we add our milk and let it get thick. As our white sauce is getting thickened, let it get thickened nicely so it's get cooked properly. Our white sauce is becoming nice creamy. At this point we will add our onion greens. Mix this and cook this for a few minutes. Check the salt and add accordingly. So I will add now salt to this. Salt. So this is ready. Now we will keep it for cooling. So this is my buttermilk. I will use this to make our dough. So I am taking 1 cup of this. 1 cup. Remaining I will keep aside for the next use. So in that same pan where we made our filling, in that only I am taking this 1 cup of buttermilk. You can take plain water or you can take milk also. And this is 1 cup of flour. So this is for our dough. And we need to add butter in this. People who don't want to use butter, they can always use oil. 1 tablespoon of butter. This is unsalted butter. White makhan. I prefer that, which you get in Amul. Salt accordingly because this is unsalted. If you are using now it's nicely boiled, we will add a flour and just make it. When it's done, we'll put off our gas. Then on a clean surface, we'll bring this on this. And we'll knead this. Water, so I can knead it nicely. And now for coating we need 1 egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of semolina. So let's mix this and we will add some salt to this so it gets flavor and some pepperish powder also. Salt. This if you don't want, you can don't do this. And we will mix this nicely together. तरी दोगांकी मिक्स करात. तुमकां सपोज ब्रेड क्रम लावंक नाका तर रवो लायात. Salt for this also, very little. Keep oil ready for frying. So this is also cooled down, and now we will start making it. Add a little bit of flour. So if you want to make for a larger quantity, then how we do for puris, and size will be according to you all, big, small, how to fill in this. Take our filling, add it, and then close this. We'll dip in this. I have done the testing of the oil by adding very little one. Once it is come up, that means it is done. So hope you all will make this and enjoy this. Try this recipe and do let me know how you enjoy it. Thank you. Enjoy. The smaller version. So if you are having a party or something like that, many people, then you can make smaller version. And if it is for home, then you can make a bigger version. For smaller version, I have taken this cutter, and for bigger one, I have used this. Same process. You have to fry it.
Here it is ready, the crispy, lovely prawn rissois. Yummy and tasty to eat. Try it at your home. Thank you. So after opening it, this is how it looks. Cheesy, yummy, lovely.